This is Victory's Victory Faraday. It's the 4-bedroom ultimate lodge. Let's have a look. An 8-seater dining table. Contemporary breakfast bar with nice lighting. Plenty of seating. Log burner style electric fire. Space for a TV. Huge kitchen with all mods and cons. Gas cooker and oven. Dishwasher. Microwave just above. The all-important wine rack. Let's look a little further. Bedroom number 1 with full-size single beds and a wardrobe. TV point. Bedroom number 2 with reading light. An additional wardrobe. Main shower room. Wash basin. Toilet and huge shower. Storage unit and boiler. Access into 3rd bedroom. King-size bed with 2 reading lights. Plenty of natural light coming in from the window. Wardrobe. Access into shower room. Master bedroom. 2 reading lights and bedside tables. Plenty of natural light coming from window. Wardrobe. Dressing table. Ensuite in here, wash basin, towel radiator, toilets and a full-size bath with shower above.